Hi, everyone, I'm Sarah Clark, and welcome to Clark Academy 101. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make an amazing first impression that people remember. Whether it's a job interview, a networking event, or just meeting someone new, the first few seconds of an interaction are more important than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll know how to appear confident, engaging, and authentic, and you'll have the tools to make every first impression count. So, why do first impressions matter so much? Research shows that people form snap judgments about us in just the first 20 seconds of meeting. That's right, sometimes all the preparation in the world won't matter if you don't nail those first few moments. People are judging your confidence, how engaging you are, and even how trustworthy you seem all before a word is exchanged. Think of your first impression as a lever. A strong first impression makes everything else in your interaction easier. The first step is mastering your presence. This is all about control, how you come across the moment someone meets you. People are constantly evaluating two things, your confidence and how engaging you are. Confidence comes from body language, posture, and how you carry yourself. Engagement comes from showing interest, being present, and connecting with someone in a genuine way. Picture this: when you walk into a room, do you take up space with pride, or do you shrink into yourself? Your body language tells the story before you say a single word. To look confident, use what I call pride poses. Stand tall, shoulders back, chest open, and take up space. Avoid crossing your arms or fidgeting with your hands, because that's a sign of anxiety. When you gesture naturally, hold your head high, and make open movements, people immediately perceive you as confident. If you're nervous, practice a subtle pride pose before entering a room. It can completely change the energy you give off. Confidence is important, but engagement is equally critical. Angle your body toward the person you're speaking to, make eye contact, and truly listen. This is called up-fronting, angling your toes, torso, and shoulders toward someone. It's a small adjustment with a huge impact. Eye contact helps you read their expressions and shows that you care about the conversation. This combination of body orientation and attentive presence instantly makes you more interesting and approachable. Handshakes are another key part of a first impression. Neuroscience research shows that people form better impressions when you offer your hand confidently. Here's the simple method. First, make sure your palms meet fully. Keep your handshake vertical, thumbs up, pinkies down. Give a few firm, reciprocal pumps, but don't overdo it. Finally, keep your hand dry and relaxed. A solid handshake says, "I'm confident and I respect you." Your voice is powerful. How you say hello can make a bigger impact than the words themselves. Smiling as you speak, even on the phone, can make you sound warm and approachable. Research shows people can detect genuine happiness in your tone, so take a moment to center yourself before starting a conversation. A friendly, confident voice instantly boosts your likability. When it comes to starting a conversation, simplicity wins. You don't need clever lines, just be direct, transparent, or curious. For example, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you," or "I don't know anyone here yet, mind if I join you?" You can also spark curiosity by asking questions about the environment or situation. Have you tried this place before? Keep it natural, confident, and easy to respond to. To be memorable in conversations, break away from boring social scripts like "How are you?" or "What do you do?" Instead, trigger excitement by asking questions that inspire stories and emotions. Try asking, "Working on anything exciting lately?" or "What's the highlight of your week?" Build on the positive energy they answer, then you share your own experiences. This back and forth keeps conversations engaging and memorable. Now, combine everything: show confidence with your posture, engage with your body orientation and eye contact, offer a great handshake, speak with a friendly and expressive voice, and start conversations in ways that spark curiosity and excitement. The first impression you make is like a foundation. Everything else you do in the interaction builds on it. Here's your challenge. Over the next week, try practicing each of these tips in real-life interactions. Take note of how people respond. Notice your confidence, engagement, vocal tone, and the flow of conversation. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel, and the more memorable you'll become. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tip from Clark Academy 101. And if you want more science-backed strategies for social skills and first impressions, check out my free resources linked in the description below. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to shine, make your first impression count.